Hey guys, I'm Harry with Out and About Ventures, and today we're on a train ride, Georgetown Loop Railroad in Georgetown, Colorado. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and just sit back and relax. Enjoy the ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay notified of future adventures. Wanted to provide some information about the Georgetown Loop Railroad. This historic loop railroad from Georgetown or Silver Plume, Colorado will travel just over 3 miles up 640 feet around 2 loops and across 4 bridges, including the impressive Devil Gate High Bridge. The Georgetown Loop Railroad was built in 1884 and was one of Colorado's first tourist attractions. Beginning in the late 1800s, the community and the Georgetown Loop became a tourist center for those who ventured west to encounter the wild ruggedness and romance tourism in the west developed around railroad excursions. The town sits at roughly 8,500 feet, nestled in the mountains near the upper end of Valley of the Clear Creek in the mountains west of Denver along I-70. The Georgetown Loop Railroad trip lasts about 1 hour. The train ride and mine tour together are about 2.5 hours. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like to help support the channel and our ventures and to stay notified of future events.